So my neighbor 5 years ago was looking for siding, and I gave him Merrick's name, and he had it done. So I was able to see the excellent workmanship that they did on their house. And then as soon as we were ready, I decided right off the bat that I was going to use Merrick. And I'm so pleased. I feel so secure now with the things that are up to code that weren't before 37 years ago, and it's beautiful. The workmanship is awesome. The craftsmen that did the cutting, they work in an excellent team. Everybody was prompt. They cleaned up. Um, at the end of the day, and I couldn't have asked for a better experience. I'm so glad.